Hello students. Now, yes, this activity we have already did in the last session, but in this session also we are going to do this activity for making you very clear about the noun. Now I have added more strips in this. So let's start the game. Now first one is Audi. What is Audi? Audi is the name of the car. Yes, very good. And it is a thing. Frog. What is frog? Frog is an animal. Very nice. Now students, look here. What is written here? The. Now, the is not the name of any person, neither place, nor animal, and nor thing. So this will not noun. Remember that the is not a noun. So we will keep it aside. Now, hospital. Very good. Hospital is a name of a place. Goa. Goa is also a name of a place. Surat. Surat is also a name of a place. Yes, we live in Surat. Very good. Now, cow. Cow is a name of an animal. Now, students, again note that inn. Inn is not a name of a person, nor place, nor animal, and nor thing. It means it is not a noun. Yes, so we will keep it aside. City. City is a name of a place. Ant. Ant is a name of an animal. Policeman. Policeman is a name of a person. Very good. Again students, we. We is not a name of a person, place, animal or thing. It means it is not a noun. So we will keep it aside. Very good. Student. Student is a name of a person. Pencil. Pencil is a thing. Very good. Again students, what is here? Oh, and on. On is not a person, nor place, nor animal or nor thing. It means it is not a noun. So we will keep it aside. Delhi. Delhi is a name of a place. Very good. Barbie. Barbie is a toy. It means it is a thing. Rahul. Rahul is a name of a person. Very good. Now Pepsi. Pepsi is a drink. Yes, we drink na Pepsi. Pepsi is a thing. So we will keep it things. Apple. What is apple? Apple is an eating thing. So we will keep it in thing place. Okay students. Now from these words we are going to do one more thing. Yes. From these words we are going to take out which word is common noun and which word is proper noun. Okay students, as we have already taken out 4 strips from these all strips. Why? Because these 4 words are not noun. Yes, the and we, these are pronoun. On, in, these 2 words are preposition. It means these 4 words are not noun. Very good. Now, from these strips we are going to take out which word is common noun and which word is proper noun. Okay, let's start. First one is Pepsi. Now, the name of a drink is given. The name of the drink is given. Yes, and remember that students, proper noun always start with a capital letter. So, Pepsi, in this first letter is capital. Very good. So, it is proper noun. Delhi. Delhi is also a name of a particular place. So, it is a proper noun. Student. Now the name of the student is not given, only student, so it will be common noun. Hospital. Hospital is a name of a place, but the name of the hospital is not given, so it will become common noun. Goa. The name of the place is Pacific, so it will proper noun. And students, see here the D is capital, G is capital, so it is proper noun. Surat. Surat is also proper noun. Now city. The name of the city is not given, so only city will be common noun. Apple. Here the first word is capital, so apple is proper noun. Now, Audi. Audi is a name of a car. Yes, the name of the car is given, Audi, and first letter is capital, so it is proper noun. Pencil. Pencil is common noun. Barbie. Now students, the name of the toy is given. Yes, very good. So Barbie, first letter is capital. Frog. Frog will be common noun. Cow, common noun. Ant, common noun. Rahul. So now the name of the person is given, Rahul, and the first letter is capital. So it is a proper noun. Now the last one is policeman. Policeman is common noun because the name of the policeman is not given. Hope students you have understood this very well. Students, I hope you have enjoyed the last activity. Now there is one more activity of common and proper noun. So what we have to do now, there are some shades in the bowl. What you have to do, you have to take out the shade from the bowl and open it and read the letter that is written on the shade. First one is Mumbai. So Mumbai is common or proper? Very good. Mumbai is a proper noun. It is a name of a place. Now the second shade is, what is written? Boat. Boat is a common noun because first word is small. Very good. The name of the boat is not given. So boat is common noun. Now another shade, India. Very good. India is a name of a country. First word is capital. So it is a proper noun. Now another one. March. March is a name of a month. Very good. It is a proper noun. Watch. Watch is a common noun. The name of the watch is not there. Only watch. So it is a common noun. Now I am taking out another shade. What is written? Mother. Mother is a common noun. Very good. If the name of the mother is given, then it will become proper noun. Now another, Harsh. Harsh is a name of a person. So it is a proper noun. Now the another one and last, Sunday. Sunday is a name of a day. Very good. So it will become proper noun. Now students, note that in the proper noun Sunday, S is capital. In Mumbai, M is capital. In India, I is capital. In March, M is capital. And Harsh, H is capital. So these all are proper noun. Okay students, now we are going to learn which word we have to make it capital. It means rules of capital letter. Names of holidays. It means all the festival names should be in capital. Only the first letter. Diwali, D capital. Holi, H capital. Christmas, C capital. Months of the year. March, June, May. The first letter should be capital. Very good. Now days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These all first words should be in capital form. Very good. Now students, beginning a sentence. When we start a sentence, the first word should be capital. It doesn't mean the first word is proper noun, but starting of the sentence should be in capital form. My name is Parul. So first letter M should always be capital. Now Parul. It is a name of a specific person. So first letter should be capital. P should be capital. Very good. Now the important point students. I. Whenever I stands alone, it should always be in a capital form. The names of people that you have already seen in the video. Mary, Tom. So in Mary, M should be capital and in Tom, T should be capital. Now the last one, the names of places. Surat, London, India. In all this, first word should be capital. Students, These all words are the proper noun. So it should always be in a capital form. I hope you all have understood this very well. Bye bye students.